Goed, goeiemôre Fossies, good morning, good day. Today we're building the fake alarm circuit diagram, which comes in a little baggie like this. Together with that, you will also receive some other items, such as some solder wire. You will also be receiving a switch and a battery strap and a battery as well. Such as that and that. Right, so dis alles wat jy nodig het om jou kringbaan te bou. Ek gaan nou vir jou wys, how do we assemble this circuit? So, first thing foremost is, be careful not to just spill out everything. These parts are very small and they can jump and spatter all over the place. So be very careful when you let all the parts come out. So what do we have inside here? You have the PC board. There's the PC board, and there's the layout of the PC board. You will also have two resistors, yellow, purple, and brown, and you will have two of those. Then you will have two resistors that are brown, black, orange, 10K. So this is 10K weerstande, and here's the 470 ohm weerstande. Then you put your switch one side, you're going to have a connector block like this. You will also have two capacitors, and on the capacitor you'll see the one leg is longer than the other, which means that's the positive leg, that's the negative leg. Two of those. You will also have two LEDs, and these 5mm LEDs will have a long leg, which is positive, and a short leg that is negative. Two of those, and two transistors. The transistor has a flat side on the body, and it's got a round side, and it has three legs, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there we go. Those are the components that we will be soldering into our board here today. Let's start with something simple. Let's start with the 470 resistors. That's R1 and R4. The 470 ohm resistance, or 470 ohm resistors, are yellow, purple, brown, gold. Geel, pers, bruin, goud. Resistors are not polarized, so that means that you can insert them any which way you like. I'm going to put the gold band on the outer edge of the board. Why? Just to make it look nice. Kyk hoe mooi pas hy. There we go. Put it in, hold it with your finger, and open them slightly sideways. In the meantime, I'm switching on my solder iron. The second one goes into R4. Again, I'm going to put my gold line facing outwards just for aesthetics. That's a word which means it looks nice. That will go in all the way up to the PC board. Hold it flat and bend the legs out slightly. Now I'm going to show you the Uncle G 123 method of soldering. Die Oompie G se 123 omgryfie se 123 metode om te soldeer. 'n Soldeerbout soos hierdie wat jy aansit moet teen ongeveer 400 grade wees, en ek gebruik, jy kan of 'n sponsie gebruik of jy kan 'n Goldilocks gebruik to clean it up, and you will test it by smelling it for the heat, and you can also test it, see if it melts the solder, en daar kan jy sien, daar smelt hy die soldeersel. The smoke that comes off it is the resin, die harpuis, wat dan daarmee afsmelt. So hoe dit werk is, omgryf is die 1, 2, 3 metode werk so. 1. Jou soldeerbout word teen die koper plaatjie en die beentjie van die soldeerbout van die komponent gesit. So dis 1. 2 is jy voeg soldeersel by en jy laat dit smelt. 3 jy laat dit gaan. So 1 apply the heat, 2 apply the solder and let it flow, bro. Then let it go. Ek wys weer vir jou. 1 2 3. Dis hoe lank jou soldeer vat. 3 secondes. 3 seconds. 1 2 and 3. There you go. Om gryfie se 1 2 3 metode, Uncle G 1 2 3. Dan knip jy vir mooi kort af met jou tangetjie. Kyk nou mooi kom hy daar af. So here we go. And now grade 8, we're going to add the second bunch of resistors, and those are R2 and R3. 10K, bruin, swart, oranje, goud. Die goud sê 5% toleransie. Bruin is 1, swart is 0, dis 10. En hoeveel nulle? Nog 3. So dis 10,000. 10K, 10K. Brown, black, orange. And again, I'm going to put my orange line, my gold band, towards the outer edge of the board. Why? Not because the component is polarized, but it is for aesthetics, vir die mooiheid daarvan. Buig die beentjies oop, en nou gaan ek so 'n bietjie vinniger werk, dat jy kan dit sien. Onthou, jy kan altyd die video pause, en so 'n bietjie 'n verposingkie vat, terwyl jy kyk, en self soldeer. Pa of Boeta kan jou ook maar help, of jou oom. Iemand wat dalk alreeds gesoldeer het. Maar gebruik my metode, dit werk soos 'n bom, en gryf as jy 1, 2, 3 metode. There we go. Slightly bent open. And now I'm going to use the Uncle G 1 2 3 again. Onthou, tussen elke soldeer sessie, maak eers jou soldeerbout skoon, tin hom, you tin the tip, and then you go for the soldering. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Dis hoe vinnig dit gaan. Soldeer is lekker, en as jy dit reg doen, dan gaan dit gou-gou. Knip die beentjies af, met 'n lekker skerp kantsnytang of 'n side cutter. Now we're going to put in the 2 capacitors, the 47 microfarad capacitors. These are the capacitors, 47 microfarad, and they have got a negative leg, which is the shorter one, also indicated by the minus, and a positive leg, which is the longer one, and you will insert it, the longer one on the plus side, and the shorter one on the negative side, and then you push it down against the PC board, open it up slightly, and you'll do the same for the second one. And once you've inserted the positive on the right correct side, inserted it downwards and bend it open, and in the next step I'm going to solder these. So let's apply the Uncle G 1 2 3 method once again to solder those 2 capacitors. Net so draai. 1 2 en 3. Hulle beentjies is naby aan mekaar. Wees versigtig om nie die beentjies aan mekaar te soldeer nie. Wat ek gaan doen is, ek gaan nou vir jou wys, as jy per ongeluk die 2 beentjies aan mekaar soldeer, soos wat ek nou as prins gaan doen. O, gaats, daar het ek nou 'n gemors gemaak. Sien jy daar? Nou, wat doen jy nou? Jy kan 'n soldeersuigtoestel gebruik, 'n solder socket, but an easy way to do it is to heat it up and to tap it, en daar sy. Kyk hoe maklik was dit. Alright, I'll show you again to fix your problems. Goed, nou gaan knip ons dit weer mooi skoon. En nou dat dit mooi skoon geknip is, dan kan jy hom net so daar sit, dan staan hulle nou mooi aan aandag. Ons gaan die 2 LED's laaste doen. Volgende doen ons die 2 transistors. En dan nou wil ek jy moet mooi kyk. Die buitekant van die transistor se platkant is die platkant van die transistor hier. En hy moet nou so ingesit word dat die beentjies mooi langs mekaar inpas en die platkant is buite. Hierdie een se platkant wys weer binnekant toe. So sy oriëntasie, the orientation is the same. Don't press it down too far. You don't want the heat from the soldering process to damage your transistor. So nou dat ek hulle albei dieselfde hoogte het, dan gaan ek hom daar mooi laat staan en dan gaan ek hom nou gou soldeer. 1 2 3 sê. En onthou nou, as jy nou per ongeluk die looitjie aan mekaar gesoldeer het, maak hom warm, tap hom en dan sal hy vir hom mooi skoon maak. Dat sê. Ek het nou per ongeluk laat hy skeef gaan, so al wat ek gaan doen is, ek gaan hom warm maak. Dit maak nie saak as hy skeef staan. Maar as jy nou wil hê, moet mooi lyk, maak jy hom net warm en laat jy hom regop staan. En so gaan jy dan, en soldeer jy dan nou die ander een se beentjies ook. 1 2 3 1 2 3 en kyk hoe vinnig gaan dit nou. En sien, daar is hy nou 'n bietjie baie. Dan vat ek hom, maak ek hom warm, tap ek hom af. En kyk daar hoe netjies is dit. Baie nice. Right, daar is die 2 transistors nou reg. Ek wil daai netjie nog so 'n bietjie reg skuif, gaan hom net so 'n bietjie warm maak. En dit reg skuif, daar het hy mooi reg op staan. Jy hoef dit nie te doen nie, ek doen dit nou maar net vir mooiheid. Knip die beentjies korter. Nou kan ons hierdie connecteerder, this connecting block, can go in there now. Make sure that when you insert it, the two screw holes show face outwards. Okay, so wat jy wil doen is, jy wil hom mooi in posisie hou. En dan wil jy vir hom soldeer. In posisie. So sê. Daar is enetjie. En hier is die ander enetjie. Hy is groter, so hy vat 'n bietjie langer om te soldeer. Maar hy kan ook mooi soldeer. Dat is. Nou, heel laaste gaan ons dan nou die 2 LED's insoldeer. Kyk mooi, daar's 'n plus en 'n minus met 'n streepie vir die platkant. 'n Plus en 'n minus. So you will insert this with the long edge, dis die lang beentjie, bo, dat hy net daar ingaan. Daar staan hy nou mooi. Jy gaan hom nou net bietjie indruk, dat hy net binnekant wys. En dan gaan soldeer jy vir hom mooi vas. Jy kan gryf jy se 1 2 3 metode. En dan gaan doen jy die ander kant, as hy so bietjie so is, kan jy hom altyd net so maak. En dan gaan doen jy hierdie kant ook. Onthou die lang beentjie is die positiewe been. The long leg is the positive leg, and that must go into the plus, and the negative will go in the other side. And like I said, we're just going to insert a little bit, not to protrude too far. And then solder it. There you go. That's the soldering done. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to wire the battery strap into the circuit. Good. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to accommodate the switch into the positive line. And to do that, we're going to cut halfway only into the positive line, like that. Then we will trim off the edge of the wire, and this side we will trim off the edge of the wire, tip of the wire, and then we will solder the tip of the wire so that it can be filled up with solder wire. Daar's ons hy. And here the same story. Right. On your switch, don't damage your switch by soldering it for too long, but you're going to be using the center and one of the sides. Either one doesn't matter. There you go. And now, from the battery, the red wire will go onto the center of the switch, and then the other piece of red wire will go onto the one side that you soldered. Oopsie, I was a bit in a hurry. There you go, like that. Do not solder it on the outsides, then the switch don't work. And in this position, it switches it on, and in that position, it switches it off. Goed, en nou gaan ons hom aan mekaar sit. Jy gaan 'n klein platpunt skroewedraadjie nodig hê vir hierdie stap. Now you will need a flat screwdriver, small enough to fit into the position there. Nou wat baie belangrik is wat jy nou moet nog gaan kyk is, watter kant is positief en watter kant is negatief. En as jy nou baie mooi gaan kyk op die PC-bord, dan sal jy sien die positief is aan die linkerkant en die negatief is aan die regterkant. The plus sign is on the left-hand side, and that will be the side for your red wire. And you'll insert it into there. Okay, ek moet eers hom losmaak. Dan maak ons hom eers bietjie los. Ons maak hy 'n bietjie los. Dan sal jy dit net so bietjie indruk. Dat die draadjies kan ingaan. Dan sit jy die plus op die linkerkantste gaatjie. Maak hom vas. En die swart draad wat die negatiewe draad is, kom in die regterkantste gaatjie en jy maak hom vas. Test it. Oh, it's not in properly. I didn't do it right. So let's loosen that again. Make sure I get it in correctly. There you go. Let's try again. I say, test it. Yes. And now your battery will connect onto the battery strap, like so. And the big test now is, will it switch on? Kom ons kyk. And as you can see, my fake alarm is working. Jou FOB alarm werk nou. Volgende stap, ons bou hom in die boksie in.